Is it better to start a niche channel or a vlogger channel when starting a YouTube channel? Whether to start a niche channel or a vlogger channel on YouTube depends on several factors, including your goals, interests, resources, and the target audience you hope to reach. Here are some pros and cons of both approaches to help you make a decision. Niche channel. Pros. Clear target audience. A niche channel caters to a specific group of people with particular interests. This can make marketing and content creation more focused. Easier to monetize. Advertisers looking for specific audiences might find niche channels more appealing. Additionally, affiliate marketing or selling niche-related products can be more straightforward. Less competition. Depending on the niche, there might be less competition, making it easier to establish yourself as an authority in that field. Builds authority. Focusing on a specific topic can help you establish yourself as an expert in that area. Cons. Limited growth. While niche channels can grow significantly, they might hit a ceiling because they cater to a specific audience. Content can become repetitive. Depending on the niche, you might find it challenging to keep producing fresh content. Vlogger channel. Pros. Personal connection. Vlogging allows you to connect personally with your audience, creating a loyal fanbase. Flexibility. You have the freedom to cover a wide range of topics, ensuring your content never becomes stale. Wider audience. Vlogging can appeal to a broader range of people, which can lead to higher growth potential. Evolving content. As your life changes, so can your content, making it easier to stay relevant and interesting. Cons. High competition. Many people vlog, so it's a challenge to stand out from the crowd. Privacy concerns. Sharing personal aspects of your life can lead to privacy issues and unwanted attention. Inconsistent growth. Because the content can vary so much, some videos might perform exceptionally well, while others don't. Recommendations. Passion and interest. Choose the format that you're most passionate about. Consistency is key on YouTube, and if you love what you're doing, it will be easier to produce content regularly. Research. Look into potential competition for both niche and vlogging channels. See where there might be gaps you can fill or unique angles you can pursue. Hybrid approach. Consider blending the two. Maybe you vlog, but within a certain niche or theme. Ultimately, there's no definitive answer to which is better. It depends on your unique strengths, interests, and what you hope to achieve. Both approaches have produced hugely successful channels, so it's about finding what's right for you.